Hey there, Chuck here at Pals. We're doing something here that we don't normally typically do. We're getting ready to replace the windshield in the 57 Nomad, the one owner car. Anyway, Jimmy's working on getting all the molding off, and there's a lot of corrosion and rust on this vehicle, so he's going to have to clean up the areas where the glass sits and the rubber seal sits. Customer had been complaining about leaks for a while anyway, and so we'll try to clean it up and hopefully it won't leak when we're done. As you can see, it's a pretty tedious job. Right now he's cutting away the rubber seal so that he can pop that glass out. The hard part's getting the stainless off because you don't want to damage it, you don't want to bend it, and to get the bolts out for it on the bottom, they're up under the dash. Luckily, he was able to get under the dash pretty easily, with the exception of the air conditioning on the vehicle. But he managed to work around that and has been able to get everything out that he needed to do. So hopefully this glass will go back in, it won't leak, and the car will be good as new. Anyway, if you've got a 57 and you need work done, bring it to Pals. Hope to see you soon.